What's up, muscle car people? I'm TJ and welcome to Bring It Muscle Cars. Matt's not here today, so I'm filling in for his intro. Today we're introducing Spencer. Spencer is our detailing guru. Tell him what we're doing today, Spencer.
So today we are redoing an attempted headlight restoration on Jared's G8.
On any part of this.
It's too late. You already look like an asshole on YouTube.
It wasn't done quite correctly with a, looked like a mother's kit.
On Mother's new lens headlight renewal kit.
So we're gonna redo it and wet sand it down, polish it, and then ceramic coat it to leave some protection on it.
Awesome, because we're gonna definitely need to see where we're going for next year when we're doing one lap of America and drag week, because you do have to drive from one track to another, and that's usually in the dark. So without further ado, Spencer, let's get to it.
So I'm gonna be wet sanding the headlights using these Gator dual-sided sanding blocks from Walmart. They run about $350 or so, and this one has 400 and 600 grit. On opposite sides I have another one here that has 1,000 and 1,500 on it. I also have 800 to fill the gap there, and I have 2,000 and 2,500 grit as well to go up so it's ready for compounding and polishing. Alright, so I'm starting off here with 400 grit, wet sanding it. I have a bucket here of soapy water and we're gonna get started. It's wet sanded, 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 3,000, and next we're going to follow it up with a cutting compound. I'm using HD Cut from HD/3D Car Care on a Griot's Garage dual action polisher with a 3-inch backing plate with a Meguiar's microfiber cutting pad. Battery died and we stopped filming. I wet sanded with 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, and 3,000, and I just compounded and polished it with a machine polisher, and followed that up with a wipe down with CarPro eraser, which is used to get rid of a lot of the oils and stuff left over from the polishing compound. And now we are going to ceramic coat it with this stuff, CarPro Deluxe, which is a plastic wheel and trim coating from CarPro.
Yeah, the headlight still looks like a pile.
That would, if anything, I would probably use some of Kenny's like ONR.
1, 2, 3!